All right, we're going to drive in to Walt Disney World via Osceola Parkway, which is where all the fun is happening. There's a lot of construction and things going on. So we figured the same way we've been filming going to the Magic Kingdom a whole lot with all that road work lately, maybe we try this side. So we'll see how this goes.
Is that I-4? That's the ramp onto I-4.
Yes, that's I-4 right there. It's always important in Central Florida to signal when you're going to move over a lane. I know a lot of people here don't do that, so you may want to do that.
I think you're the only one.
Probably. Just like Tigger's, I'm the only person who uses a turn signal. Turn signals are what Tiggers do best, of course.
There's the magical archways.
I don't know if this is one of the ones that's been fixed yet.
This one looks good, though.
It looks a little washed out, so I'm not sure. No, it looks good.
I
Yeah, that probably is one of the ones they
done,
fixed up this way.
The Where Dreams Come True seems larger now.
Yeah.
I see cranes.
Yes. And we're going to see the two sides of this new overpass. They're pretty much standing there already. There's also, you can see there's a giant piece of road already installed there on the left.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we saw that last week.
So this is going to be the ramp on the right?
Uh-huh, that'll go right into Hollywood Studio. Or is that the exit one?
No, I think
it's both.
that will enter there.
Yeah.
And then this will be,
right.
They're going to build a ramp right here over the road.
Uh-huh, yeah, you can see the pillars are already going in. Or the foundations, I suppose.
Lots of traffic today. And that's quite the crane.
Yeah. So you see on the left side, it's just about ready. That piece is eventually going to come over, I think. Mm-hmm. And go right over the road. Which is weird because we haven't really had a lot of overpasses on Disney property. Most of them were built later. So you get towards Animal Kingdom, obviously all that area was built later.
Yeah.
There's more overpasses and things of that sort on that side. It's more modern. And then Osceola and World Drive are a little older. It wasn't really a thought back then. They didn't think they were going to need it. But now we need it.
Yeah.
So.
It is interesting because it's been so flat here, and like you said, it's going to be so tall now.
Leaving Magic Kingdom is really weird. Like, you don't even recognize the area anymore.
Yeah, agree.
If it wasn't for the toll plaza, I wouldn't even think I was there. I think I was on any highway or interstate in Florida.
Wow, look, they're lifting it over with that crane.
Oh yeah, they're actually doing
that
it right
beam.
now.
So they have to put steel beams over top of this road, I guess, at night.
Oh no, that piece is going to stay there. Look at that. That piece is already settled in.
But that's the lifting crane, I guess. Wow, this is going to be huge.
Yeah, look at that. And then if you look quickly on the right, that pretty much backs up against Art of Animation. We were at Art of Animation the other day.
Yeah.
And what used to be a tree line on the side of the parking lot is now that.
Wow.
So that's practically in the parking lot at Art of Animation. And then we'll look at what's going on over here next to Studios. There's a bunch of stuff going on.
So that right turn would take us to Pop's Entry and Art.
Well, see, that ramp would take you right here.
And now here, okay, now this is the entrance to
That ramp you showed
Studios.
Before is going to go right into right there.
Now I like this sign here on the right that it's divided with the red bars. Easy to read.
Oh!
Whoa! Okay, so that's what driving here is like, guys. Be careful.
If I wasn't filming right now, this guy would be getting screamed at, by the way. But
we'll save that for the next video. How about that?
Yeah.
So this is the entrance currently to Studios.
And that's it. And then we're back to normal. So that's what's going on Osceola Parkway right now.